Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common networking problem that many users may encounter. The issue at hand revolves around the inability to establish an IPv4 connection between two PCs, despite a functional data link being present. The user has attempted to use both ping and rping, with the latter proving successful. Additionally, they've experimented with manual IP settings and tried adjusting configurations related to UDHCPD and UDHCPC. However, the desired connection between PC1 and PC2 remains elusive, prompting them to seek a solution to this networking dilemma. The solution to this problem lies in a more thorough understanding of the IPv4 network stack and the configuration of essential parameters like netmask and gateway. The root cause of the connection failure was traced back to the UDHCPD service, which was not properly assigning the netmask and gateway information during DHCP negotiations. In order to rectify this issue, the user can manually set the IP address, netmask, and gateway using the IP command from the iprout2 package. By executing a series of commands to bring up the interface, add the IP address with the corresponding netmask, set up the route to the remote machine via the local IP, and finally ping the remote machine, a successful connection can be established. To sum up, by delving into the complexities of the network configuration and proactively setting the necessary parameters, the user was able to overcome the connectivity issues between PC1 and PC2. Remember, when faced with networking challenges, a deeper understanding of the underlying mechanisms and a hands-on approach to configuration can often lead to successful outcomes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or networking experiences. Until next time, stay connected and keep exploring the vast world of networking possibilities.